Hello, today we're here to talk about our UT Southwestern project, an opportunity to streamline rehabilitation intake process. The students involved are Cindy Cruz-Rodriguez, Devon Stapleton, Emma Leidlein, and Sarah Marshall. Our faculty advisor is Dr. Jaime Rogers. In this slide, you get to see a big picture moment of our poster. Some of the components that we'll be talking in this presentation will be our abstract, our background, define, measure, analyze, improve, and control, which are all components of the DMAIC methodology, and our conclusion.
So with the focus of this project, our challenge was with the 30% of beds that are allocated towards these externally referred patients, we want to streamline, document, and track the availability of beds to ensure that treatment is available for them.
Due to the complexity of the process, we're able to follow the DMAIC methodology, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. This methodology allowed us to communicate with the UT Southwestern team in a more efficient manner, and we were able to identify milestones to continue the process long term.
So we really wanted to define what we wanted to do, and as well as just to look at some other things in terms of voice of customer. So with our goal, we wanted to streamline the process again of patient consult. So when a referral request is received from a facility, and then to the point of where we have that patient in the bed. And again, our scope is once again going to be outside facilities sending over external patients. And so as you look down below in this voice of customer, we talked with the UT Southwestern administration team, and they were able to give us some insight into some of the issues as well as decisions and things that faced the customer and the patient when dealing with the intake process.
After a series of meetings with the UT Southwestern team, we were able to develop a swim lane. In this swim lane, you can identify 6 distinct stakeholders directly involved in the process. Something very interesting about the swim lane is that we were able to visually depict the value added and the non-value added by the activities who have a red mark for non-value added and a green mark for value added. Something very important about this is that we have a value added activity time of 175 minutes. And we currently have 12 non-added activities, which could result in variation of the time of an inpatient intake from hours, days, to even weeks and months. We then move forward into the analyze phase, where we were able to look at a cause and effect diagram, also referred as a fishbone. Some of the 6 root causes that we have identified, but most importantly, are the external facility and the patient collection methods. This is an opportunity to identify a communication gap, which we later on explore in the 5 whys.
Within this 5 whys, we really see that the 2 issues that we consider, that being of the miscommunication between referring facilities in UT Southwestern, as well as communication delays experienced between the 2, really results from 1, a lack of standardization in the validation process when an external facility is sending over information to UT Southwestern software writebacks, as well as the lack of preparation of external resources in external facilities by UT Southwestern. And we're going to use these 2 kind of main issues and main root causes to really focus and drive our improvements in the improve and control phase of this project. So with our next steps, because after determining some of the root cause, our project is currently in the improvement and control phase. Our plans are to kind of push some agendas and ideas and to work with the team to develop a plan for the future. And so some of those include the standardization processes within their software equipment, as well as, again, making a checklist for patients to go through while they're going through the rehabilitation process to streamline it and reduce delays. In conclusion, the process is still ongoing, but we were still able to find some major root causes. We plan to implement our improvement plan to decrease this lead time and to streamline the process with the UT Southwestern and to help them continue to make patients' lives better. We want to thank them for allowing us to work on this project and for their help along the way.
And a thank you to the College of Engineering, and a special thank you to Dr. Jaime Rogers for leading our BSIE capstone course. Thank you.